Hello, everyone. Soon we shall be entering the month of May, and I have noticed a marked shift in the energy just from the last couple of days. I've been marveling about how miraculously well we are getting along despite being in our quarantine. Snappy with each other? If you're getting antsy and finding it hard to access patients, well, it may be helpful to know that last Saturday, that is the 18th of April, Aries had a guest Mercury where it is going to be until the April 27th, bringing a marked shift from watery emotional Pisces into becoming more focused and sometimes aggressive. Now, this aggressiveness can be constructive as well as destructive. The choice is yours. So be a little patient, deliberate yourself into patience. Knowing this can help you find compassion for yourself and others, as well as healthy outlets for the abundance of the fiery energy as we work through this extraordinary time. I do hope that my past live sessions that I was trying and endeavoring providing for you with some relief and perspective during these really challenging times. Now, during these times of upheaval, the guidance of astrology has been a lifeline for me, and that is what I have tried to extend it to my audience because for me, the more I share, the more I feel. And since we are all undergoing the same universal phenomena, we just need to be patient and realize that yes, these energies are probably working with everyone. So we need to mellow down a little bit and probably be more creative within ourselves. This is a good thing about Pluto turning retrograde on April 25th. It is that whatever crisis you have been struggling with these past 6 months will retreat back in the dark corner from where it had come. Retrogrades mark a change in planetary disposition, a time when what was on is called off. We often think of retrogrades as upsets in our routine because things don't go according to the plan, like with the Mercury retrograde, for instance. However, retrogrades can also switch from being reactive to proactive. Make the necessary adjustments, the bold moves, the decisive choices you need to make to ensure that you are leading with your best foot forward is to be well armed. So Pluto comes out of the retrograde on October 4th. So we have all these months where we can actually relive in ourselves or reorganize ourselves or re-strategize ourselves. Take advantage of the Pluto's retrograde. The month of May for Virgo. Well, this is not the time to gloss over inconvenient truths. You've always prided yourself on being a stickler for details, and you need to trust in your critical abilities. What comes to light, or what came to light on April 25th, is both unflattering and unforgiving. But isn't it better to be in the know how than in the dark? You have some big decisions to make in the coming month, and these should be based on a sober review of the facts and not on wishful thinking. The stars are not trying to spoil your fun. If anything, they're trying to prevent you from doing something that you may regret. So it's very important for you. And the month of May indicates that idealism will rule your life. This is in contrast with the basic trait of your personality, which is practicality. There is a tendency to splurge money, and you have a problem in stopping this madness. And the month indicates that you have to balance your career ambitions and your family affairs. Emotional harmony will have to be maintained to face conflicting requirements. You will have a tough career growth will be under stress. Students will have no problem passing their examinations. In regards to your love and relationships, well, you will survive if you're able to make compromises this month. Mars and Venus are not very helpful for marital stability. Allow things to pass. Singles will have to contend with the retrograde of the love planet. However, there will be plenty of romantic openings. The love can be found in your workplace while discharging your career responsibilities. Love life will be harmonious with your professional life. In regards to your family, well, it's not very encouraging, and somehow the planets advise that it's not auspicious for family concerns. Senior members of the families will be involved in conflicts and disputes because of the mind that is rattled. The family environment may be full of discord, and this will adversely affect the progress of the children. Family expenses will rise enormously, and you may have to borrow money to cover the expenses. Make efforts to cut down the expenses and bring harmony in the family atmosphere. In regards to your health, well, it suggests that issues have to be sorted out expeditiously. Emotional stability is at stake due to contradictions between professional requirements and family obligations. Health can be maintained with enough rest and relaxation. Attend to the important jobs and allow other things to wait. Mental health is important. Mental clarity is important this month. You can get some respite through meditation and other relaxation. On the career front, you have to be content with the heavy workload and accountability associated with your seniority. On the other hand, excellent career progress will happen after the 20th of May. You will be rewarded financially for your diligence. Promotions can also be expected. Overall, this is a fabulous month for the career. In regards to your finances, since career is good, so obviously the finances also are going to be good. Money flow will be copious and can increase further by assisting the financial prospects of others. You will have no problem in paying your pending debts. Investors will be happy to put money into your financial ventures. Family members are supportive of your financial projects. Any legal issues concerning your finances will be decided in your favor. Now, in regards to your education, well, it suggests a very positive vibe from the planets regarding academic prospects. Your intellectual faculties will be sharper. You have no problem facing challenges on the education front. Students will excel in their studies. Those appearing for competitive exams will have no problem in clearing their tests. Higher education students will have the right opportunities. Technical students will clear their courses with flying colors, so you don't have to fret. In regards to your travel, well, the sign is not very positive about travel prospects. You are prone to probably, they say sometimes your own absence of mind can lead to accidents, or others' mistakes can affect you. So be careful while you're traveling on the road, as this month is prone to accidents and injuries during travel. Both inland and overseas travel will be unproductive. So stay away from travel as far as you can. Try to postpone your travel plans for the present. So good luck for this month till we meet for the next. Well, before we come to an end of the month of May, I really want you all to know that you'll be happy to note that I have officially launched my School of Astrology program, wherein I would be teaching my way, that is Dolly Mangat's way of astrological learnings. I would be sharing my experiences, my learnings, and my explanation of the planets with you all. You could visit my website to apply for the course. The evaluation of the applications is in process, as the teachings or the classes are starting from the 8th May 2020. And of course, for best dates, career, honey, and money, as usual, they're on my website. Last but not the least, for any further information and intimations you are requested to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Trust me, it will always be beneficial for your well being, as self awareness leads to the great transformation of life. Life is what you make of it.